Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this SprutCAM training course, and the topic for today will be the Wire-Edm machining. For some people, this type of machining is not very common. To apply a simple definition or explanation to this Wire-Edm, the main principle of the Wire-Edm cutting is the application of electrical discharge sparkle on a part, and this generated on electrical current on a wire that will cut material, steel usually, or metallic materials. We have a special machine for this effect. You can see in this example, again, as for other examples, a machine defined, okay? And we must have a proper definition for this machine. So this machine has one superior head and one inferior head. These heights and this distance between the heads must be defined to have a proper part when produced, when machined. And we have two possibilities to create contours that we call Wire-Edm cutting. So we have one which is 2D, that will cut only straight contours, and we have another one called 4D that will apply angles on the cuts. Okay. This one, first example, I will run the calculation, which is, in principle, it should be very simple. I will take the machine out so that is more visible to apply. And as you can see, I will go back a little. This line a little more darker, it's the wire, okay? So when I move forward the program, you see that the wire goes around the part and cuts, and then goes inside and makes also the cut in one direction and on the other direction as a finishing toolpath. Another example, we have also a 4D. We have this part and this part. I'll go to machining. We have inside holes, okay, which are some round holes and one square one, which are straight cuts. And all around, as you can see, we have a cut of the part on an angle. So this is calculated, no big stuff. If we simulate this, let's try to see what happened. These holes in the middle have multiple passes. Maybe they are not needed to have so many passes, but this is a personal opinion. And on the outside, you see the angle and invert it to make a finishing pass. So this possibility to cut on an angle until a certain height, it is very interesting. And this particular type of toolpath opens the possibility to create very special parts that are not possible to achieve in other process. So we will see a little about operation setup in the next video, and I hope that this one at least shows and explain the type of toolpaths we can obtain with this technology of Wire-Edm.